Hello my YouTubers, this is Daniel again for this fourth video for March 2nd, 2023. Right now I see the bunch, they're probably talking in conversation. I wish they actually go away so I can walk over there. Right now it's about 5:43 almost in the evening time, yep. But let's hope they leave. I think you're having a personal conversation or something, yep. I see 5 people there. Conversation. I don't know what they're talking about. Let's hope they're not going to tear down any more trees. Well, there you have it, folks. It's your little update about this construction, like the people talking. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you maybe a little bit later for Aftermath. Until then, this is Daniel signing off, and I'll see you later. Bye.